Hello, Divi fan. So I'm going to go into the dashboard, click Add New Page. I'm going to call this page Blog. Save Draft. Use the Divi Builder. In this section, I'm going to add another row. There'll be a single row. I'm going to use the code module. This will be an H1. I'll call it Divi 5 blog. I'm going to call ID, call it heading. Heading. So this will be font size 80 pixels with font. Family, Parlo condensed, sans serif, and I'm going to save the draft. Let's preview it real quick. Okay. Then I'm going to go back into edit with Divi. I could add another section. I think I'll just add another section, a blog section. For design, I'm going to go into layout, grid, save, preview. I'm going to go into CSS Hero. Okay, it's taking a while to load, so let's go back to the dashboard, pages, customize with CSS. Basically, the reason why all of these are the same height, the posts, entry content, is because if I click here, I set the height equal to 520 pixels. So all this content is contained, and there isn't an overlap with the border, the content. If it was smaller, for example, this border would be overlapping with the content. So I set it to 520 pixels. So the border is outside the content, and there's some padding. Save. I'm going to exit CSS Hero, go back into the dashboard, pages, edit with the Divi Builder, and then I'm going to add row, and then I'm going to add the email option. So let's go in here into design, layout. I want the title on top. So body on top, form on bottom. The background, the actual background color is 241, 245, 249. 241, 245, 249. Okay. So that is RGB. There's more blue than there is green, than there is red. But it's close to the same number. So it appears to be a gray, a light gray. Text, I'm going to remove the text. The title text, H2, I'm going to make it black, centered, and then inspect this, centered, 64 pixels, Barlow condensed, 64 pixels, and the font is going to be Barlow condensed. All these fonts, Barlow condensed. And the text is going to be, the title is going to be Join Our Newsletter. Okay. And then for the fields, field background color is fine. The field's focus background color is fine. Focus text, I'm gonna make black. There we go. And then the field spacing happens to just set cell these to 0. Let's see if I can set okay. Let's actually just make it back to the default. Okay. What is the actual padding here? Padding is 14. Okay, so on the top and bottom it's 14. On the left and right it's 22. Top and bottom 14. Left and right 22. Okay. Then for the button, custom styles for button background, okay, linear gradient, background color is going to be this shade of pink, so RGB 219, 14183, 219, 14183, and the gradient, linear, no. So 90 degrees. No. It's RGB 219, 14183. Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna make this maybe 50. Let's make this 100. Something doesn't seem right. Let's see, let's make this like that. Okay. Maybe let's make this, no. 50%. Doesn't seem like there's that much of a difference. Okay, I think that's how they did it. There we go. All right. This one's like right 50%. Okay, let's move on. See that fun text. Let's have that be 14. Let's do Barlow condensed. Let's actually make that bigger, like 18. 19. This is archivo. I'm going to keep it at 18 and make it Barlow condensed. So we can make it maybe 20. Save draft. And the last thing I'm going to do is change the width of this. Max width, make it 600 pixels. Let's not do that. Save, preview. Let's make this centered. Save draft. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head over Divi. And then I'm going to make this module, make the sizing 600 pixels. Make the module alignment centered. And then for the background here, I'm going to set the RGB to 151, 151, 151. That was going to be RGB. Let's copy this. Background color, make it the same, save draft. Exit. For some reason it appears in Divi, but it's not appearing otherwise. If I move this up, go back down. Remember to like the video, leave a comment below the video, and subscribe to the channel.